I tried to upload 100 shorts in 7 days to see if it works. Before I start this challenge, I took on an even harder challenge to upload 100 shorts in 24 hours and see how the algorithm will react to it. But I just found out that there is a limit to 15 videos per day you can upload to YouTube. So, with that being said, let's start with the challenge you clicked for: 100 shorts in 7 days. For this challenge, I used one of my old YouTube channels, which is a dead channel that gains only 3 subs, and the last upload was 6 months ago. I deleted the 3 shorts I had on this channel and planning a bright future for this channel with this 100 shorts challenge in 7 days. I started by creating 100 shorts with the help of ChatGPT and Canva. If you want to know how to create 100 shorts like this in no time, check out my video on how to make shorts with Canva. After I made 100 shorts, I started uploading them and got the error I didn't even know existed on YouTube: a 15 upload limit per day. That means I'll need to come every day to be able to upload 100 shorts in 7 days. So, day 1, I end up uploading 10 shorts only. In the day after, I came to check my analytics and saw this: only 97 views out of 10 shorts, only 1 subscriber. But I heard it may take time until the algorithm starts pushing them out. Only 3 out of the 10 got views. Small views, but still something. But something caught my eye. Although the low view count, and it is the average view duration, every short that got views gained more than 100% view duration. That means the people who watched it stayed all the way till the end and even watched it again. So this is a good sign for me. On day 2, I made a mistake and uploaded duplicated shorts. I deleted them, and I was ready to upload them again correctly this time. However, I passed my daily limit. So pay attention to things you upload if you upload in bulk. For the next 2 days, I upload only 10 shorts. For some reason, YouTube gave me the option to upload 10 instead of 15, but I'll keep posting as much as possible to be able to upload 100 shorts in 7 days. If that is the case, I'll be only able to upload 70 shorts in 7 days. But this is only an experiment to see if publishing multiple numbers of shorts in such a short term will help to achieve my goal, which is, I'm not sure what my goal was, but my curiosity pushed me to it. You can see I used the same background and the same template in my shorts. I absolutely aimed quantity over quality, and I'm here to show you the results. I'll keep on posting and sharing with you my journey in the challenge of this short. Here are the analytics for day number 3. 155 views, 0.4 hours watch time, and 1 subscriber added. Seems like half of my shorts didn't show up on the shorts feed yet. I'll wait and come back tomorrow. Here we are again. Now I'm trying to upload once again, but getting my upload limit error message. Honestly, I don't know why that's happening, because I didn't upload in the last 24 hours. I'm starting to understand that my challenge won't happen, but I'll keep trying to upload tomorrow as well. For now, let's check the analytics. I see that 80% of the people swiped away and didn't watch my shorts. Maybe I need to find a more appealing background, or just choose another niche. My average view duration is very high, more than 100% in every short, so my problem is to attract more people to click on my short. Now that I'm in the middle of the challenge, I understand my technique to post shorts with 2 parts is the best way to make people intrigued to watch the second part. Just take it to your world. You can apply this to every niche, maybe even a more attractive niche, and use this technique for your own channel. Let me fast forward for you till day 7. I'll reveal to you all my final stats from this experience. Finally, after a bit more than 7 days, because I wanted to see if maybe my shorts would hit the algorithm, here are the stats. I only gained 1 subscriber. More than 80% swiped away. Most of my audience came from the United States, 60% male and 40% female. With such a low view count, the only things I can learn from this is 2 things. 1, my niche wasn't good or wasn't too attractive for people to click. 2nd, my background or my first sentence was not intriguing enough for people to click on. But the good thing is that the people who click it stay to watch till the end and watched it even 2 times. Thanks for watching.